Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall Discord on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you can do. First of all, if Discord is open on your system, you need to terminate the process. Don't just close it, terminate the process, because Discord is one such process that will work in the background as well. So search for Task Manager. Okay, and if you see anything related to Discord, we will kill it. Now let me create a process first, because without creating a process we can show it. First of all, kill the background process, and it's done. Once the background process is killed, even the frontline one will be dead. And once you kill the background processes, after that you can press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type %app data % and hit enter. Now right click on the Discord folder and select delete, and then click on continue, and it will delete the cache folder for Discord. Then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps in the right pane. Then search for Discord, because it doesn't automatically appear. Click on the three dots associated with it and select uninstall, and then click on uninstall once again. And once this is done, once this is uninstalled, then search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup here, and then check all of these boxes, and then click on OK, and then click on delete files, and this will delete any remaining files associated with Discord. But it's still not over, so we need to go to OneDrive, and then we need to go to documents, and then in documents we need to check if there is any folder associated with Discord. There isn't, but if there is any folder associated with Discord, right click and delete that one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please watch this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.